After my dad passed, I was having a lot of trouble with a lot of things. Very depressed, very bad anxiety, low confidence, and a lack of motivation for anything. The first time mental health started really hitting me, that's when everything flipped and my mind changed. And at that point, I couldn't handle my own demons. I couldn't stand straight up on my feet, if I'm being honest. Yeah, I just needed some help. And then we found Ra. He helped me with a lot of coping mechanisms for dealing with my anger and just taking things slower. You know, getting me back on my feet and knowing me again. Yeah. Some people feel ashamed to speak up about this, but you know, the more and more you keep it into yourself, you're just going to bury yourself in a bigger hole.